Jordan is now 4 times older than Grace. In 30 years, he will now be 18 years older than Grace. What is Jordan's age now? Okay. Sige, try until you succeed. Please write the number and the letter of your answer. So number one and then the letter. Okay. So this is already the free coaching. By the way, kanina, no, may nagtanong pala, sorry, hindi ko nabalikan. May TLE major din po ba? Yes, we have all majors. Filipino, English, Science, Math, TLE, Values Education, yun na, TLTVE, ano pa ba? May nakalimutan pa ba ako? Lahat, meron tayong majorship para inclusive tayo. Tama ba ako, sir? Lahat naman, no, meron tayo. Okay, meron bang may sasagot? Dito sa item na to? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So, meron po bang sasagot? Wala? Or wala ba ako nakikita? Think wala pa lang ako nakikita. Okay. Sige, I'll give you a few more minutes. Make sure that you also time yourself, no? Um, siguraduhin nyo na yung mga sinasagutan nyo ay mabibilis kayo kung kaya nyo mabilis. Kung hindi naman ay, ayan, okay lang naman. Ayan. Hello, ma'am. Good evening, Nature TLTVE po ako. Hello po, ma'am Mirna Manila. Good evening po. So, isa po sa hinahangaan kong coach, ang coach ng TLTVE, si Sir John Dexter Subosa. Napakagaling, ang daming alam, malawak ang kaalaman, very practical. So, meron siyang YouTube channel. Sana ma-follow niyo siya. And yun, kung gusto niyo pang malaman ng kanyang maraming kaalaman, hopefully you can enroll here para makita niyo kung gaano siya kagaling mag-lecture. Ayan, we have one answer from Sir Prince Haron Malidas. Okay. How about other friends? Ayan, dumami sila ng kaunti. Ayan, Sir Jazer Siem de Borja. One answer. Meron pa ba? Dalawa lang. Baka meron pang gustong sumagot. Ayan, welcome to our 55 viewers. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, so again, we do hope you can enroll at SBRTC. Very affordable. We have Sir Jeffrey Hapa. Okay, maybe two more. Hintay tayo ng dalawa pa. Okay, Ma'am Quinn. We have Ma'am Quinn. And who else? Wala na? Ano po ba? Ano pa po pa? Okay, sige. Maybe we can already. Yan, Ma'am Mir naman nila, no? Kahit TLTVE, sabi niya, sasagot ako. Yes, I like that. We also have Ma'am Pagare. Pagare. Okay, sige. So, let us solve this. This is a age problem, no? At nalabas ito sa majorship. Actually, minsan nalabas nga to kahit sa Gen Ed. Pero, pag super hirap, parang mas sa majorship siya lumalabas. So, for this one, the technique is to read them carefully. And for me ha, mag-create ka talaga ng table. Gawa ka ng table dyan para mas madali mo siyang ma-solve, no? So sabi, si Jordan daw, meron tayong dalawang character, si Jordan and si Grace, okay? Tapos sa table natin, kailangan meron tayo ng kanilang present age or age as of now, and then yung isa pa kasi usually may kadugtong yan eh. So sabi dito sa first sentence natin, Jordan is now 4 times older than Grace. So, ang edad ni Jordan ay nakadepende sa edad ni Grace. Kung ilang taon si Grace, 4 times noon ay edad ni Jordan. Right? Ganun lang. So, analyze lang natin. So, kung nakadepende si Jordan kay Grace, si Grace ang ating X. Okay? Kung ilang taon man to, kung ano man yung number ng X, 4 times niyan magiging 4x. Yun yung edad ni Jordan ngayon. Okay, now, sabi, in 30 years, ano yung sabihin ng in 30 years? Paglipas ng 30 na taon, tatlongpu, okay, 30 taon. Pag sabi natin in 30 years, it means you will age after 30 years. So, you will add 30 years to your current age. Eh, di ba, ito yung current age mo? 'Di ba? Okay, wag malilito ha. Marami kasi ang ginagawa in 30 years, he will be 18 years older than Grace. So parang nag-a-add ka na ng 18 dito. Not yet, okay? Not yet. Don't do that yet. Ang gawin mo muna tong sinasabi niya in 30 years. So ilang taon ba sila in 30 years? So ito yung present mo. So in 30 years, magiging 4x plus 30 years old ka na. 'Di ba? Ganun lang. And then ito yung age mo. So magiging x plus 30 years old ka na. Okay? Yan yung edad natin. Or edad nila in 30 years. Tsaka mo ngayon, i-apply yung sentence na sinabi. Sabi, in 30 years, he will be, so ito daw edad niya, he will be, yung will is, ano lang yun, di ba? Present perfect or present tense ng is, no? He is or he will be 18 years older. Mas matanda, no? 18 years mas matanda kesa sa edad ni Grace. Eh, ito ang edad ni Grace, di ba? X plus 30. Okay? And then, ayan na, madali na yan. Pwede na natin tong isolve ng mano-mano or pwede na tayo mag-calculator dyan. So, mag-calculator tayo. Tingnan natin kung masasolve natin. So, 4x, yung x po natin ay alpha ng close parenthesis, plus 30. Tapos, yung equal sign po natin ay alpha ng calc. Okay? Hindi po itong equal sign sa baba. Okay? Alpha ng calc. And then, it's 18 plus x, so again, alpha ng close, plus 30. And then, hayaan mo na yung calculator mo mag-solve. So, ang gagawin mo lang ay shift ng calc. Okay? So, makikita mo kasi yung nasa taas ng calc, sa left side niya ay nakalagay solve. So, you are solving for x and then you're just gonna type equal sign. So, that is 6. So, ibig sabihin, 6 years old si Grace. Pero si Grace po ba ang tinatanong? Ang tinatanong po ay si Jordan, 'di ba? So, what is Jordan's age now? So, it's 4x or 4 times 6 which is 24 years old. So, 24 years old na nga po si Jordan. I-check natin no kung tama, no? So, kung after 30 years, ilang taon na si Jordan? So, after 30 years, 54 na si Jordan at 36 na si Grace. And of course, we know that 54 minus 36 is definitely 18. So, Jordan is definitely 18 years older than Grace. Okay? Pero sa mga gusto mag-solve nito, pwede rin naman, no? Just combining like terms, no? So, move mo to dito, magiging 3x. Tapos, 18 plus 30 is 48 minus 30. 48 minus 30 is 18. And then, divide both sides by 3. Okay? Kung iba ay hindi masyadong bet mag-calculator, pwede naman, but I do hope you're using your calculator kasi sayang naman pinagagamit kayo, no? Para din iwas sa mga errors. Pero again, maganda rin naman na nagsasolve kayo ng mano-mano kasi na-enhance yung skills nyo. Okay? So, the answer is letter C. No? The answer is letter C. Okay? So, good. That is our first item. Ano na ang score natin? 1 out of 1. Okay ba? Or may mga hindi ba nakasagot ng tama? Kung hindi man, huwag kayong malungkot, huwag kayong panghinaan ng loob. Okay lang yan. At least, di ba, sa pagkakamali, dun ka natututo. That's what I always think about. Kasi kung di mo kung alam mo na, kung lahat alam mo na, edi very good. Edi ikaw na, di ba? Parang wala ka nang natutunang bago. Pero kapag nagkamali ka, there's a chance for you to learn to improve yourself always. Okay?